Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Today's date is Monday, December 15th, 2014. What we're looking at today is Schlumberger, which is an oil play. And again, the reason I'm bringing this up is because it's into some very important levels here that dictate a incoming bounce. Okay, now again, the question is which level of the two I have will it bounce off of? And I think by looking at today's price action, we should be able to tell by the end of the day. So let's start out, first of all, looking at the two levels. Zoom out a little bit, folks, on your daily chart of SLB. And what you can clearly see is you have gap window here, which we already hit on Friday. So again, see the gap window right here, which is the low, and then gap fill right below. So these are your two levels, and honestly, they're very, very close at this stage of the game, and I do anticipate a very large bounce or decent bounce off of Schlumberger on these levels. But again, just please note, gap window, gap fill. You've already hit the gap window, which is at the $80 level. So $80 gap fill, and then right below that, literally, $1.25 lower at $78.75, $78.75, you have the gap fill. Right now, what we're looking at is Schlumberger still green on the day, up 50 cents, but it is hovering near the lows of the day as oil is still down pretty sharply. What you're going to look for into the end of the day to determine which is the correct level to buy is where Schlumberger closes. If Schlumberger closes here or lower, it's going to be a weak showing on the stock and very likely will head to gap fill, which is, again, only $1.25 lower, not that much lower. All right, if by chance Schlumberger can rally up towards these highs of the day, then at the end of the day you can say, okay, the gap window is going to be the low level here. You should see a continued bounce to the upside. So these are the two factors you're looking for, very simply based on where it's going to close. I think if I'm a trader, and I am a trader and investor, what are you going to do here? How are you going to trade this? What I would suggest is this. I would suggest buying a half position here at 80 bucks, 80 and a half, and leave yourself the opportunity to buy the other half down at $78.75. This way, if it bounces off gap window, well, you still make some money. If it happens to go a little bit lower, you buy your second half down there, your average becomes nicely lower, and ultimately it should bounce off the gap fill then if it doesn't bounce here. So these are the strategies that I employ, that I'm looking at on Schlumberger, SLB, and again, SLB, what a fall on this chart along with many of these other oil plays, and this is how, again, smart traders are playing it. All right, if you want swing trade alerts, if you want to know when I'm buying and selling, come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take the 7-day free trial. 7-day free trial, folks, here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. No obligation. Sign up. As long as you cancel before the end, you are good to go there. And we think that you'll come here and like it and make money here with InTheMoneyStocks.com, and you'll be a trader or investor for life here. So again, we cater to investors, swing traders, and day traders. Come select what you want to do and enjoy, and we'll teach you what we know and help you profit. Take care.